So I have distilled white vinegar here that is 5% acidity. So what's going to happen in this rocket is it's going to be an acid-base reaction. The baking soda is the base and the vinegar is the acid. The reason why there's going to be an explosion or a rocket launch is because in an acid-base reaction, the acid has an extra wants to release a proton, and the base wants to receive it. So when this happens, it is going to create H2O, and because there's going to be a combination of a hydrogen and an OH. And when this happens, carbon dioxide is also an additional product. So the carbon dioxide is what builds up inside, which is what's built up inside the bottle, and I'm actually not sure if I'm supposed to screw the lid on or not. Okay, so I did confirm. No, I'm not supposed to put the bottle cap on. So instead I have a cork tie wrapped around a paper towel so that it is large enough to stick in there. However, when I stick it in there, it's not going to be super tight. So, because if there was not a way for the cork to be popped out, the pressure would just build up inside of the water bottle, and there would be no way for it to be released. So, that would have been that's key. So I'm going to start off by putting my time release contraption here with the baking soda. Pour some vinegar in here. Just a sec. Well, as you can see, the water bottle did not explode. I'll try again. Okay, so now I wonder why it didn't explode. The reason I'm thinking is it seems like the vinegar is pouring out of it. So it's not enough vinegar isn't able to react with the baking soda enough for pressure to build up. So that's okay though. I mean, the first one did kind of pop off a little bit. It's not as extensive as I was hoping for, but yeah, that still shows that the baking soda and the vinegar are reacting